Good day everyone. If you are facing this error, unidentified network, and there is no internet access, in this video let's fix this error. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option network connections, click on advanced network settings, click on more network adapter options, right click on network icon, click on properties, click on network protocol version 4, click on properties, click on the first option, select the first option, obtain an IP address automatically, then click on this option, obtain DNS server address automatically, click on OK. After that, untick this option, Internet Protocol version 6, untick this option, that's it, click on close. So the issue has been resolved as you can see. But if you are still getting the same error, move on to the next method. Again, right click on this Windows icon, click on network connections, click on advanced network settings, click on network reset. Now click on reset now. So this will reset your network settings only. So click on reset now, and after that restart your system, and this will reset your network setting and fix the issue. So these are the methods you can try. Thank you for watching.